The box with me. She was over here all excited. Come here. What's in there? Come here. Let's go open the box. We're doing an unboxing. Neighbor brought another one. I just got off the phone with UPS again and Amazon. Maybe we got it fixed. Oh, is there something in here for you, Rooster? I don't know what this is. I don't know. What do we got, Rooster? Is it more treats? He's over there looking. Come here. I have no clue what this is. It's rattly. It's very rattly. Making rattles. In here, Rooster. First of all, let me get this note. Alright. Is this even getting filmed? It is. Let me move this up a little bit. Another one from Mary Jane Brannon, Bird Saver 2000. You are too generous. And what do we have in here? Pegboard hooks. Oh, pegboard hooks. Awesome. From a pegboard. Wow, these are good ones. These are the good ones. These go on my pegboard I hung in the shed. Look at that. It's got little cups you can put in there. With little doos and dads and nibbles and, you know, screws and bolts. It's got all kinds of stuff. And there's more. Well, there's a lot of pegs in here. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Rooster's disappointed. Nothing she can eat. But she'll live. She'll get over it, won't you, Rooster? All right. Well, I had to turn the camera back on because there was more in the box. And this is cool. I got a handle on a frying pan. It's a little smaller than what I thought, but now that I think about it, this is perfect for omelets, pancakes. I don't know about pancakes. Perfect for omelets and very useful. So thank you for that also. And that is a nice heavy duty one. I like it, man. Alright, we're going to cook up an omelet in my new skillet. Pretty dark. Let me see if I can get extra light. Nope, that did no good. Alright. Brand new skillet. I washed it with soap and water. We'll see how an omelet comes out in this. I'm just going to make a cheese omelet because I like cheese. I feel like cutting up a bunch of stuff. Brand new skillet, first time I ever cooked in it. Might have got it a little hotter. None of these burners sit level, so I'm constantly spinning them around. Crank that dude up. I can already see it's cooking even. You know, beats cooking out of this one. Didn't have a handle. This was cheap to begin with. This one's well built, heavy duty. That's good to do this in, you know. When you're sauteing, you do this. I like to saute. Who don't like to saute? Spelled S-A-W-T-A-Y. Saute. Alright. If I had my choice, I'd have a gas stove. I do not like electric stoves. And I don't like those flat ones that don't have the burners on them. They're just a flat surface. I don't like them either. They're too hard to clean. Y'all getting bored watching that omelet? Not me. I'm hungry. Just took all my vitamins and medication. Let's check it out. It's a little runny yet. Boy, that's a nice solid handle on that dude. It's gonna make a burp. It's gonna burp right right there, watch. Still running. Here comes the burp. Not yet. There it went. When you're cooking an omelet, like I'm an expert, cooking an omelet, don't get in a rush. The lower heat, that way you don't burn it. Let's just check the, oh, that dude. That, hold it, look at that. That's how you know you got you a non-stick skillet. Look at that. Scoot the whole thing, look at there. Scoot, scoot. But I got all that juice there. How do we get rid of that? Well, look at that. I'm just going to do this. Too runny on the inside. Fold that dude over. Get up under there. Force that. Ah, see, I still suck at them even with a good pan. Alright, note to self. No more omelet videos because you suck at them. Look at that. Looks like a dang burrito. That ain't no omelet. That's a burrito. And it ain't the pan. It's my omelet skills. All that stuff done puked out of there. Man. Alright, let's kind of drain all that juice out of there. That's egg juice. Got to get it all drained out. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to flip that over and scramble that part. This is an omelet scrambled combo. Look at that. Little rooster will eat those. That's rooster size scrambled eggs. Alright, I can't flip it. Ah, what have I done? This is terrible. Well, I'm going to eat it anyway. But I love the new pan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Watch this silly girl. You're gonna get this tube. Get silly with it. Get silly with it. Get silly with it. Paper towel tubes. Cheap and entertaining to them. You goofy. You goofy. Get that tube. Get silly with it. Get silly with it. They must be destroyed. You gonna get silly with it?